Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a scheduled path to a record-triggered flow in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to automate follow-up tasks or reminders based on specific date fields, like automatically creating a task a few days after an opportunity's close date. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to access your Salesforce setup. Click on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of your screen, then select Setup from the drop-down menu. This takes you to the administrative area where you can configure all your automation settings. Once you're in Setup, look for the Quick Find box on the left side panel. Type in Flows and click on Flows when it appears in the results. This is where all your automation flows live and where we'll be building our new record-triggered flow. Now click on New Flow to start creating your automation. You'll see several flow types appear on your screen. For our purposes today, select Record-Triggered Flow. This type of flow runs automatically when records are created or updated, making it perfect for automation. Next, you'll need to configure the trigger settings. Select Opportunity for the object field. This tells Salesforce which type of record will trigger this flow, then choose a record is created or updated as your trigger condition. This ensures the flow runs whenever an opportunity is either newly created or an existing one is modified. For the entry conditions, select Actions and Related Records. This option gives you the flexibility to set up scheduled actions that occur after the initial trigger, which is exactly what we need for our scheduled path. Now comes the important part, adding the scheduled path itself. On the start element of your flow, you'll notice an option that says Add Scheduled Paths Optional. Click the plus sign next to it. This is what allows you to delay actions until a specific time rather than running them immediately. When the configuration window opens, enter Close Schedule for the path label. The API name will automatically fill in based on what you typed. Next, you need to tell Salesforce what date to base the schedule on. Select Opportunity: close date for the time source. This field determines when your scheduled actions will trigger. Now let's set the timing offset. Enter 5 for the offset number and then select Days After for the offset option. This means your scheduled action will run 5 days after the opportunity's close date. You can adjust these numbers based on your specific business needs. With your scheduled path configured, it's time to add an action to it. Click the plus sign on the new path you just created. From the list of available actions, select Create Records. This action will allow us to automatically generate a follow-up task. Enter follow-up task for the label, and again, the API name will populate automatically. When asked how to set record field values, select Manually. This gives you direct control over exactly what gets created. For the object field, choose Task. Since we're creating a task record, now we'll configure the task details. Set the first field to Subject, and for the value, type Follow-up with Account Owner. This will be the title that appears on the task. Click Add Field to add another field mapping. For this second field, set field to Related to ID. This connects the task to a specific record. For the value, select Triggering Opportunity, then choose Owner ID. This ensures the task is associated with the opportunity that triggered the flow. Click Add Field once more to add a third field. Set this final field to Assign to ID. Again, for the value, select Triggering Opportunity, then Owner ID. This assigns the task to whoever owns the opportunity, making sure the right person receives the follow-up reminder. You're almost done. Click Save at the top of the screen. A dialog box will appear asking for a flow label. Enter Scheduled Follow-Up and click Save again. The system will process your flow configuration, which may take a moment. Finally, click the Activate button to make your flow live. Once activated, this flow will automatically create follow-up tasks 5 days after each opportunity's close date, assigned to the opportunity owner. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.